We are back. Sorry about that. We seem to be good now. Alright. I have the video pulled up on my second monitor, so we need to add a pack. I think I do that here. Add pack. Perfect. Add dim G bomba. Okay. Alright, author just me, Sir Sergeant. Website URL, no. Pack description, Capoeira, and Hytale. Add me, Sir Sergeant. Nope. Save. Perfect. Okay, so it's telling me to go back into the main menu. Go to main menu, perfect. My OBS still seems to be working fine.
And then we will go to our worlds. I'm going to right click onto our world that we just created. I'm going to click on open folder. Now the reason I'm doing this is because now I'm inside of the saves folder as you can.
Okay. We're doing some files shenanigans. So no. Escape. There we go, new world. We're just gonna do mod stuff. Open folder, perfect.
Our custom pack, if we created the way that I've shown here, we can go into the mods.
Aha!
Right now manually inside of the folder. So before we go even back into the game, we're going to create that structure that we have. This is experimental.
Okay.
So please pay close attention. The structure has to adhere the same way that the structure works inside of the Hytale. So we're going to make a new folder and we're going to call it common with an uppercase C. And then
I'm doing all the folder setups right now, chat.
Now the ore textures are within the resources. So what I'm going to create inside of the common folder is a new folder called resources.
I'm not particularly sure I want that. Alright, chat. Time to do some folder shenanigans. Wait, why am I... No. Okay, that's fine. Okay, you know what? It's fine. We'll call it resources.
And then theoretically here, I can now have whatever structure I want, as long as I want to add a texture to a resource. So in my case, I'm going to add a sulfur underscore or PNG. Both the folder structure as well as, of course, this pack is going to be available to download. Link in the description below, so you'll basically have everything that you need in this case. Now the sulfur is going to be used in just a minute. First of all, we'll go back to the count and roll only at the top. Select it. Button over here, and now here, a super cool feature. We can simply copy an asset that already exists, and this is
Wait.
And first of all, we'll go back to the count and thing as well as so I'll have whatever structure I want, as long as I want to add a texture to a resource. So in my case, I'm going to add the sulfur underscore or PNG. Both the folder structure as well as, of course, this pack is going to be available to download. Link in the description below. And now that it's started, custom pack, simply want to click this little plus. We want to add an item. Now here, a super...
Okay, I'm not convinced 100% about this whole PNG business.
Or underscore sulfur. There you go. That's going to be our custom item. And with that done, you can also choose a folder, but we don't need to necessarily. In this case, we can simply create it. And then at the left over here, we can see under item, or sulfur has now been added. Now here, many things are going to be thrown your way. Right now, we're going to just focus on getting this item done. Theoretically, the item is already in game, but we want to get this done. To click on this, we're going to go here, and here very important.
All right, so I'm not going to add anything in just yet. Just because I don't trust it. Okay. That's right, I was folding some laundry. I'll open up the asset editor once I'm in the game, and then I'll start sharing that. Dudes, I have a sock, and I don't have the other sock of the same pair. Somehow. I'm just that skill issued.
We're going to change from Hytale to our custom pack. We go to resources. Sometimes you have to double click twice because the double clicking here doesn't work perfectly. And we select the sulfur ore, and I'm going to select this, and there we go. The item model is going to be the normal or large. That we're just going to keep that. And finally, we're going to go to general. And right here, we have an empty field. That's because our icon right now is nothing. To change this, it's very... So out of this, gone to proper freaking neat. Now, luckily, to re-enter the world. But that's fine, because if we take it into our hand, or we... So that's going to be issues.
Oh, server disconnected. Yippee-ki-yay. Fuck me.
And then you can go to File, Save As, and then here you will be able to change the file. So you'll...
Okay, so that's some translating errors. That's fine. So...
we're just going to keep that.
Okay. This is going to be a pain in the ass, because I'm trying to change one of the essence things. What is it? It's 11:10. I'm gonna try and change one of the essence file thingies. So I might have to go in and steal one of them. Yeah, man.
Let's add a custom recipe to Hytale. Of course, we've done asset editor very similar by basically adding the recipe to the sulfur ingot. Let's go into the asset editor and just quickly take a look at this. So if we look at the ingredient bar sulfur right here, of course, under crafting, we have a recipe.
Okay, so he just has a bunch of... Oh, perfect. We're in. Okay, let me see if I can... Essence. Yeah, these. Like, I want to... Oh, perfect. I want to get one of these. But, like, I think make it kind of what? Or what is this? I think I'm going to try and make it kind of white. Because if I make this white, it kind of is going to symbolize the purity and whatnot. So, yeah. That's currently the goal. I might make it so that if you take, like, any... Or what is it? Just, like, 100. I might do some stupid number like that. Like, 100 of any essence, and you can make one of the other. That's kind of the goal. Now, my question is, if we go into Creator Tools, Asset Editor, it's going to boot up and it's going to take forever. I might have to steal one of these and chuck it into Blockbench. And in order to change the texture, I might take this one, the Essence of Void. I think that's gonna be the smartest move. Take Essence of Void. Oh, perfect. Alright, nice. Let me add that to the screen sharing. Hytale asset editor. Okay. Perfect. Honestly, I think I'm gonna make this a full screen. We're gonna move you on top. We're gonna make you like a side screen. Perfect. So, what do I need to do now? Oh, that is the wrong video.
Now here is some product. Here very importantly at the top left corner, you want to make sure that your tutorial pack or your custom pack is selected.
Yep.
And now here to add an item, absolutely simple things. You simply want to click this little plus button over here, and now you want to select the asset type of item.
Alright. Folder, that doesn't matter actually.
We're going to add an item. Now here, a super cool feature. We can simply copy an asset that already exists.
Essence of Spirits, I think. Yeah, I think that's like Spirit Essence.
And this is the superpower that we need, because here we're simply going to choose an item from Hytale that already exists. In our case, we're going to do ore, and I'm going to use the ore at a nantite right here.
Okay, how am I gonna... Oh god. No. Essence. Okay, perfect. There's concentrated? Ooh. Okay, maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe not. Can I like... What? Okay, I've done an oopsie. I've done a big oopsie. Hold up. Rename. Delete. We're just gonna fully delete it. Okay. New Spirit Essence. Copy asset. Hytale. Why am I... Oh god. Oh. Because I haven't said what kind of asset type item. There we go. Spirit Essence. No, we want height. Excuse me. PC spawner ingredient misc. Okay. Essence. Life at... No, I don't care about recipe.
Now our custom one is going to be ore under source of truth. Over here we can see under item, or sulfur has now been.
Alright, this is gonna be void essence, theoretically. Okay, that seems to have been good. Oh. It changed. That's good. That's good, chat. Okay, I don't have different texture. So currently it's just gonna be stuck as void. Good.
Click on this. Then you go here, and here very important, we're going to change from Hytale to our custom model. A model is this particular icon. This is a generated icon.
Oh.
This is because the icon right now is nothing. To change this, it's very straightforward. You need to click the camera.
Hold up. Icon. Where's icon? Crafting now. Where is this? Is this in general? This is in general. Icon right here, baby. Oh. Okay.
One last thing which is extremely important is the translation property. Right now you can see we're using the adamantite ore over here, which is not something we want.
Name. And where is that? That's still in general. Parent. That shouldn't be changed. Tags, icon, translation. Oh, it's a drop down. I'm freaking genius. Why can't I?
No, we want to change this to...
Oh, you change it here. Spirit essence.
_sulfur name, and that of course doesn't exist right now. And theoretically, the description over here.
Which then means I.
Of course, we could do this, but in this case, I think we're just gonna leave the description completely out of this. We don't need the description first.
Okay, description doesn't matter right now.
If you wish to change anything else, you could of course easily do so. For the time being, we're actually gonna be okay with this. We're going to click the put item button over here, and now inside of the game, we'll have the sulfur at 3C. Inside of the inventory, it currently has a
Alright.
It is normal in order for the icon to load.
Yes, it worked, chat. Server.items spirit thingy. I might have to make this a bit bigger in OBS, I'm gonna be real. I don't know. It is working, that's all you need to know. Okay, I'll have to get a custom texture in for this thing, but that is not today's problem. Today I'm just trying to get the basic code slash.
It's fine because we can take it into our hand or we put meat. Now luckily we need to go out of the world anyway in order to change the translation, so that's gonna be okay. We're gonna quit to main menu and then we'll tackle the translation first. Very important, the translation does not work in the asset editor currently, so we will need to go to server and then inside of the server folder.
Oh, okay, wait, worlds, mod stuff, open folder. Mods. I need, this is, yeah. Server.
We want to create a new folder, and this is very important, called languages. Now this has to be written exactly correctly. If you have any mistakes in here, you will run into issues. So this is server, languages. Inside of here, we'll make a new folder, en or lowercase dash us, and then us or uppercase. It has to be run together, written
dash us.
Exactly like this, very importantly. And finally, inside of here, we will make a new text document, and we're going to call this server.lang or lang. If you don't have it enabled that you see whatever the type is, you can also simply make a new text file. So we're going to just make a new text document. You can open it up in Notepad, and then you can go to File, Save As, and then here you will be able to change the file. So you'll simply go to all files and then do server.lang over here in this case, and that way, boom, boom.
Okay.
That way you can actually properly change it to a lang file, whatever the name is that we've defined. So this is going to.
So then here, wait, what?
Be or underscore sulfur.
Items. Notepad. Fuck it. Just once. Okay. Alright. Items dot, I think, spirit essence is what it's called.
Dot name, and that is going to be equal to sulfur ore in this case.
Equals essence of spirits. Alright, we'll just call it essence of spirits for now. Save that.
We're going to hit Control S to save this, and now this is saved, and this is now going to work. So we'll exit out of this one, and that's going to be fine. And now, with this, we have everything set up. So we can go back to the game, we can go back into the world, and we'll find that everything freaking works.
Nice. Okay, hold up. In theory, it'll load correctly. If this works first try, chat, that is gonna be a fucking miracle. I'll have to, like, when I'm at my training tomorrow and we're lounging around, I'll try and come up with a texture for this.
Here, the icon works inside of the inventory, and also it is automatically added right here inside of the listing inside of the ores right here, because we've copied it from an already existing ore, so it will be automatically added to this particular tab in this case. Finally, if you want to share this particular pack with people, what you want to do is you want to go to the pack right here where your manifest JSON file is, the server and the common folder. You want to select all of them and simply right click drag them 7-zip, and then you can add them to a zip file. If that does not exist for you, you can also simply right click, show more options, and you should either have a 7-zip, or within Windows you can also use compress to, and then you want to choose the zip file. Very importantly, it has to be a zip file. If we then make a zip file out of this, we can now, for example, call this the KJ tutorial pack in this case. And here, very cool thing, this zip file you can now share with people, and they can add it to their mods folder.
Shit, alright. Dude, chat, if I manage to make this work, I'm gonna be so fucking proud of myself, because I would have taught myself all of this through multiple videos, granted, but mainly just my big brain. Continue doing laundry. This is gonna be an uphill battle, chat, for the laundry. Where the fuck is that one sock, though? I'm completely unaware. Oh, chat, you know what I might do? Can I even do this right now? It might be slightly too late. Okay, just open Notepad always. Are we in? Sounds like we're in. Alright. I just realized I should have done this. Okay. Yeah, I need to quickly reopen the asset editor. I am curious about the node editor, because model I can do that in a bit. Oh, okay, that's just launching Blockbench. Okay. World, I'm not too particularly interested in this. Instances might be useful. Maybe. Okay, Hytale asset editor. Authenticating, perfect, thank you. Spirit essence. I need to rename this. Ingredients. Or is it ingredient? Oh, I'm actually slightly worried now. I think it's ingredient. Shit. I don't have the notebook open. Ingredient. Spirit essence dot name equals that. Perfect. Description. How would I make a description? Hold up. I think I can figure that one out on my own. Wow, that's a first. Two different. Oh no, it's the same thing. Okay, is acid still open? Yes. Hold up, I need to reopen the world folder. This is working though. Is there a way for me to pull up recents? Server. Perfect. Thank you. Okay. If I do... You guys can't see this. Items dot... Oh, I should probably spell it correctly as well. Ingredient. Spirit. Essence dot description equals. Actually, I might as well let you guys see this. Oh, this is my Hytale. Oh, that's fine. I'll fix it around a bit. Let me do a window capture. This is gonna be Notepad. This we're gonna rename to Asset Editor. Perfect. Yeah, this thing is really all you guys need to see at the moment, so I'll leave the Hytale stuff on. Okay, Hytale description. Essence. Oh wait, actually, I could probably get inspiration from like this. Oh god. Maybe I need to quit the main menu and reopen it. Essence made. The remains of others. No, that is absolutely shit, chat. Essence made. Fested into. Okay. Hopefully that works. I would assume it's the same thing because there's a dot name and a dot description, so hopefully it's not gonna be absolutely broken. Because I'm gonna be real, chat. If it's this easy to do like modding stuff, holy shit, the world is my oyster. I could get all of the textures in. All of my models and my tech. I think the next step after this is gonna be to get my instruments. That's probably gonna be the next one. And then see how, like, god-awful it gets. Hold up, I can show you guys these now. That's the audio, I'm stupid. Yep. I need to get someone like 30 on this. I think 30 virus would actually be kind of interested. Okay. Oh my god. Wait, no, it didn't update correctly. Hold up. I know why. I know why. I go creative tool asset editor. At least the name is correct. I like how it's essence of spirit, not just essence of spirit. And spiritual essence sounds kind of pretentious, in my opinion. God, the rain looked so good. Alright, perfect. The editor is opening up. Okay. Fuck. Spirit essence. Did it update in real time? Chat, we're doing it. We're actually doing it. Hold up. Okay, quality, no. Item quality. I would say it's more of a rare. Oh my god. Oh, yes. Debug, no. Developer, no. Epic. I think it deserves epic. Because it's going to be like an extremely rare drop from... I have it in my notes. Outlanders, Trorks, and Farens. It's going to be a bit more common from like some bosses and mini bosses. I need to figure out what counts as those. And then you can use 100 essence to craft. I'll have to figure out a way how to balance it with life essence. But okay, that worked. This is actually going like wonderfully well. Oh, I shouldn't do thought to be, I should do considered. This is considered to be the thoughts and prayers of people manifest in tangible form. Whether through music, dance, or combat, people believe. Music. Oh, that is the wrong one. Combat or silence. People believe and pray. I think I kind of like that. The new description is, this is considered to be the thoughts and prayers of people manifested into tangible form, whether through music, dance, combat, or silence. People believe and pray in many different ways, creating the divine and unknown spirits in the world. Unknown spirits. I like that. I like that description a lot. So next time I boot this up, it's gonna... Oh, nope, it does it immediately. Oh my god, I love this thing. Oh. Oh, 'Oh, 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 I don't know, but this one works. That's all I care about. Oh, this is the stupidest shit. Okay. Perfect. Can I quickly add a recipe?
Now, custom they don't sell. There's something they can do. So this is
Alright, we go back to the editor. I'm just gonna do recipe, crafting recipe.
recipe assets type. We're going to make a new asset over here. And here, it's extremely important that we actually copy from anything. Now, salvage over here right now, all of the crafting recipes here are salvage, and that's totally okay. We can change those, but we have to copy from this, otherwise we will crash the Hytale as variable, at least as of right now. The name here is just going to be maybe something like custom crafting or seafood, where we will, and we're going to
Oh.
we'll crash the Hytale as variable, at least as of right now. Now, the name here is just going to be maybe something like custom crafting or seafood.
Crafting spirit essence. Right.
Here, it's very important. The reason why we have to copy this over is because of convention requirements. If there is nothing in here, so if I were to delete this, then the entire Hytale asset will crash, because right now it tries to use the object there, even though it would be null if we were to delete this. So very important that we do not delete this and then change the bench. Very, very important. Right, instead of anything in the output, we should just put this into the primary output. So
Okay, output. Oh, I see. Ingredient spirit essence. We're getting somewhere, chat. Resource type. I want one. It's gonna be an oh, can I do? Is there a way for me to? Don't need that. Don't need that.
For the input, let's say I'm going to put in a _soul.
Input.
Over here, let's say 2 of those, and then maybe another input, just for the sake of argument, and that's I'm going to put in.
How to have ambiguous crafting recipes in Hytale. Oh god. Nope, that's not what I want. Custom. I don't know the any of the. Oh. Okay, wait.
In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make custom.
I'm currently watching a video by Skeushy Chat. So that's the voice that you're hearing.
Modify all of the parts of it. Big thanks to all so all of the different armor files are going to end up being located at frank.png.
Alright, time to do some JSON manipulation, because fucking hell.
Going back to the mod folder, you're going to notice that I have the common folder already created, and this is where things get a little bit annoying, because you yourself are going to have to create that file path from scratch. So, Hytale, icons, items generated, and then here's all of the different armor images that I copied over from the vanilla of this chain to find where that item is. You then, I use paint dot, that I open all of the stick. It's going to refer to that here.
Okay.
It's used for of trying to get it to work with a custom crafting table. So a good rule of thumb is that common model files get learning the structure of the filing, and once you got it,
Okay, I see what you're
so
doing.
again, the name of the table doesn't matter, the description doesn't matter, that's just for in-game. The icon, I just put underscore color so it was easy. I left the crafting recipe for this table, but you can customize this, and we'll get into that with the armor in a moment. You'll change the custom model to category for the crafting table. So what you can do is just take an existing category like the armor chest piece right here, and instead name it whatever you want. So I'm calling it armor underscore color, and I ended up finding a brush icon that I found online. Set down here is also going to be, so all I the going in game working for it would do is pretty much everything up to the steps of the custom category, and instead it would just be like, oh, we could still have the chest piece in the chest category, but because this is a separate crafting table, it wouldn't overlap with the existing crafting table. Lastly, let's try to set up a custom crafting recipe for it, wherein it will require a base Adam helmet, and and then purple plant or this. Once you understand for crafting, so
That's not what I'm looking for, chat. Basically, what I'm looking for those who want to think it through. Is this gonna work? Yeah, right here. No. But no, perfect, right here. It's just like resource type. Oh. Oh ho ho ho. Wait a sec. Can I add you? Can I add a resource type to you? My back is killing me because I'm sitting in a shit position, chat. Tags. Okay, so it's an ingredient. Yes, categories, items, dot ingredient, translation property. Okay, random. Crafting. Recipe tags. Input. Oh, I love this. Okay. Crafting. Perfect. ID. Wait. That's the bench. No, we're gonna delete this. Remove. I'll just leave this here. Okay. Item ID, that's the input. Let's just say ingredient, essence. I don't even know what it's called. Of life. Is that what it's called? Life essence. Okay. Life underscore essence. Output is that. What? Primary output. Oh, no. That's. That right there is what I want to do. Why are you not liking it?
Does this recipe make any sense? Not really, but at the same time, this is just a test recipe to show what it does. Either including a little bit.
Okay, and then here I'm gonna want to remove that. IDB. Oh well, he didn't even spell it correctly. Workbench. Okay, fine.
before, you can see value cannot be null, and the issue is that it is null. So if that ever happens to you, what are you going to do? Well, you have to sadly go to the...
Okay. So, in theory now, workbench. What does the workbench look like? I think it's this. Alright, we're gonna quit the main menu and we're gonna try this again. I'm probably gonna go to bed in like 10 minutes, chat.
The server itself, we're going to go to the recipes and we need to open this in Notepad. And the issue right here is this object right here, this JSON object, which is currently empty, as you can see, and this we have to change. In order to fix this, what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to copy over the normal crafting workbench right here, and now that it is no longer empty, we can save this, and now... So sadly, this is just right now a limitation. This is highly likely to be fixed in the near future, I would hope so. And we can just look at the teleporter, let's say, for vanilla. So let's say the teleporter. So this would be the item teleporter right here. Let's go crafting, and the bench requirement is called the arcane bench. There we go.
Oh.
There we go. We've added this back to 0 right here, and then let's see. So if we look here, well, we can find our custom recipe. Why would this be the case? Well, there's one more thing, and that is the category that we need to define. So
Oh, you little shit.
Category, and this would be, so for the teleporter right here, we can see the category is arcane portals. Doesn't really make a lot of sense for the arcane bench, but that's fine. And then here, I believe it would be workbench underscore tools, I want to say. Let's see if that, now for the workbench, let's just take a look, and that was not it, okay. But on here, there we go. That is the silver ingot that we can already craft right here. Pretty freaking neat.
I see
now
that.
For the workbench, let's just see what the crude hammer says. So this is why it's so cool that you can simply also look up the different things. So this would be hammer underscore crude. Craft ourselves a sulfur ingot with 2.
Okay. This is definitely something that I could spend hours fine-tuning, chat. Oh my god. Oh, hello, Etchy. Sorry I didn't get your message till now. I'm extremely tired. It's almost midnight. It's 10 minutes to midnight. We're both learning how this goes. Okay. Are these still broken? These are no longer broken. That one works. That seems to work. Why no work? Oh, that's a builder's workbench. Furniture, Heart of Orbis, rail cart. Excellent. That... Okay. Did they... I got a feeling they changed the model. Why... Oh my god. I need to put it in the category. So if I were to... I think I'm going to resume this tomorrow, chat. I'm extremely tired. It's okay. Yeah, no problem. I mean, now that I have someone, I might stick around until like midnight proper. Just because I said I would, so like, why the fuck not? I'm extremely tired. Please subscribe. This is not the right time to be doing all of this stuff. Here, asset editor. Okay. Although I am quite proud, I managed to get the basics done. I got a description, I got that. Why does it say... That's not normal. not supposed to say spirit essence ID. I need to fix that. I need it. There it is. How can I change the name? There we go. Ingredient spirit essence. Perfect. All right. How can I? Ingredient spirit essence invalid item. Okay. That worked. Why is that? Essence blocky. Yup, that's correct. Particle system ID null. Perfect. Apply changes. Oh, was that the icon? Oh. Well. Seems to work. Alright. Oh, that is so convenient. Oh my god, chat. You have no clue how convenient having the code right here is. Okay. Now the crafting recipe. Input, we have the one input. We'll just say life essence. Output, doesn't matter. Output, yeah, primary output.
Then if you were to delete this, so very important that you do not delete this and only change the bench performance. Very, very important. But instead of anything in the output, we should just put this into the primary output. So I've put the available sulfur in here and let's say 3. For the input, let's say I'm going to put in a 4_sulfur.
Okay, wait, can I pull this up in source? Chat! Oh, this is the greatest day of my life. This is the greatest day of my life. Categories. New. Okay, in theory now. Okay. Is it called Builder Workbench now? Oh, Workbench. Oh, that's just the one in how do you just access them? Wait, how does he?
It doesn't, so I think that actually does not work. So okay.
How does he access them?
But on here, there we go. That is the source bench.
In creative mode, Hytale. Okay. No. Oh my god, you've got to be shitting kidding me. Okay. We're gonna... Movement and flight, placement settings, tool settings, audio. Hide, display legends, okay. Movement, don't need. Placement, don't need. Tools, brush. Audio selections. Hide chat, held items. Okay. So then now in theory, if I were to... crafting recipe, alright. We add another one. Still crafting, let's say it's arcane table this time. Category. What's the category this man uses? Arcane portals, fuck it. It's just for testing purposes, chat. No, it didn't update. Okay, hold on. Type crafting, arcane bench, arcane portals, crafting. Oh, it's arcane bench, not table. Frick me. It's there! Oh my god, chat, it worked. It fucking worked. Oh, do I dare though? Do I try and figure out how to do the ambiguity? Resource type ID, that's what I need. Essence. Recipes. Do they not have an ID type? Rock. Okay, these are a bunch of prototypes. Wait, hold up. These are read only, that's fine. Where'd they put their crafting shit? Objectives, okay. Rock. No. Wait, where are the craftings in here? Craftings are an item, okay. Go back here. Item drop list, don't need that, I need item. From item, I do crafting recipe, salad, oh shit. Resource type. Do they have essence? They do not. These are icons. I don't need icons. Oh. Where did I find that thing? Item category blocks. Chat, I'm onto something. I need to figure out how they craft. Okay, is it portal? Portal. Portal. Magic, prefabs, entity, environment, gameplay. What is it? Teleporter, that's what it's called. Okay. How do I do the ambiguous thing? Unarmed. That shouldn't mean much. Debug. Armor. Adamantite. You. Say for example, you have crafting in here? No. The only crafting we have is the salvaging chat. Oh wait, this is item and item. Field craft category. Nope. Item player animations. Interactions. Okay. This is gonna be rough, chat. Item drop list. Ingredients. Wow. Common. This Hypixel. Animations, armor, capture, create, consume, creative tools. Yeah, that's machinima. Don't care about the textures. Okay. I don't know. It's midnight 7, chat. I'm fucking exhausted. I'm gonna go to bed now, I think. But yeah, I need to figure out how they do that. Any type rock. I need to bug it out. Hold up. Give me a sec. I know how to bug it out in 2 seconds. Resources. There we go. Did I bug it out? I, in fact, did not bug it out. Shit. Ingredient. Spirit. Okay. Wait, I can rename this. You're gonna break. Is anything else gonna break? No. Bollocks. Oh, that's not good. I might have broken it a bit too far. Shit. Oh god, what have I done? Wait, I need to go back into the JSON. Right. Spirit essence. I did not realize I had this many tabs open. It would probably be faster for me to just close the editor. Okay. Alright, let me just quickly DC Rec. And then we'll see. I'll go to bed, finally. Yikes. Okay. Yeah, you guys are just gonna have to wait, I guess, for the thing to reboot. But yeah, tomorrow's goal, get the texture done. It might just be as easy as just like, alright, fucking make this black and white, and then voila. Texture is fixed. Oh, fuck. Okay. It failed to do it. I'm not gonna try again. See you guys